So good day. At this moment, I will be discussing about the laboratory activity 1, plotting analog signals. So at this moment, okay, I will be plotting the sine, cosine, and the combined waveforms. Okay, so for the code here, I've imported the numpy, the np, and also the matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So first is that I've assigned this t, the variable t, equals to np.arrange 0, 1, 0.001. So what does it mean? It means that the numbers or the t will be starting at 0, 0 up to 1. Okay, so 1 is actually not included, but the numbers before it. Okay, so this is just the it's like boundary number. Okay, so the unit step is 0.001. So okay, here I've had the f1 assigned as a frequency in hertz 5. Okay, so this will be the sine wave. So the sine wave will be like this, and p, that's sine. So whenever you put a like a something mathematical, okay, so you need to put np because that was stored in, or that can be found in the numpy. So if you're the sine 2 times pi times f1, which is 5 times t. So for the cosine wave, I also have the frequency, which is 10. Okay, so and it is np that cosine 2 times np that pi times f2, which is 10 times t. Okay, so this here, this is like the plot figure, or that the size of the plot. Okay, so to display such signals, I have here for the sine wave, then plot that subplot 311. So these are the area where the sine will be showing, or okay, so the title is the sine wave, time, and the x label, the x-axis, time, or the t, and the amplitude also is the y. So for the cosine wave, okay, so if here this will be in the 1, this will be the second like the second area in the plot. Okay, so and have here the t cosine wave. So the r here means the color of the signal. For the title, cosine wave, 10 hertz, and for the x label, the time, and for the y is the amplitude. Okay, so for the combined, so it just means that you are combining the two waves, the sine and the cosine wave. So just assigned a new like variable which is named combined is equal to sine wave. Okay, the sine wave here, this will store the sine wave here and the cosine wave. Okay, and for the subplot 3113, so this will be in the third row. Okay, so the combined, so it says here that the signal will be displayed with a screen, time, amplitude, and finally tight layout, plot that show. Very important one for the signal will be showed. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So yeah. Okay, so that is the output for the laboratory activity 1. So we plot the analog signal, the sine wave here, 5 hertz, and for the cosine wave, and also for the combined signal plus combined signal sine plus cosine. So that's all for this laboratory.